Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we enable guys ultra power saving mode. Once you want to enable guys your ultra power saving mode in your techno phones, so guys how can you enable it? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable guys ultra power saving mode. So let's tap here and scroll it. So as you can see guys, your battery lab setting is battery settings. So let's tap here. First option guys, you can see guys in a guys ultra power saving mode, and tap here to enable. So as you can see, this only calls, SMS and calendar are available, enable. So we will enable from here, and guys you can see enable, yes, enable it. So it will enable, and guys you can see guys only calls, message, calendar and quiet option. As you cannot see these settings. So I hope friends have understood how to on ultra power saving mode, means how to enable it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Unless you want to disable, you can disable from here.